World is beautiful outside when there is stability inside. Namaste everyone. I am Abhi Walia from grade 9th Yamuna and I feel privileged to stand in front of you to conduct today's morning assembly. It is essential to understand that morning assembly is not just standing in long queues and listening to songs and prayers, but it is something beyond just all other school activities. The positive impact of morning assemblies can be felt throughout the life. So let us join our hands together to communicate with God by reciting Gayatri Mantra.
पे आते हैं हम पग पग गाते हुए तेरे ही गुण जब जब हम गाएंगे तेरा यश गाएंगे महिमा तेरी सदा सबको सुनाएंगे सृष्टि में गूंजे तराने तेरे जीवन तेरी ही तारीफ की तेरी ही चमक से सुहाना लगे चांद सितारों का प्रकाश भी जब जब हम गाएंगे तेरा यश गाएंगे महिमा तेरी सदा सबको सुनाएंगे वंदन अभिनंदन करे जो तेरा उसको जगत में उजाला मिले जो भी तुझे श्रद्धा से देखा करे सुख उसे सबसे निराला मिले जब जब हम गाएंगे तेरा यश गाएंगे महिमा तेरी सदा सबको सुनाएंगे महिमा तेरी सदा सबको सुनाएंगे महिमा तेरी सदा सबको सुनाएंगे.
What a great start! Thank you, Music Department, for the wonderful prayers. Now I would like to invite Jia for sharing the thought of the day.
Thank you, Abhi. Namaste everyone, I am Jia and I am here to present the thought of the day. बड़ा हुआ तो क्या हुआ जैसे पेड़ खजूर पंथी को छाया नहीं फल लागे अति दूर In vain is the eminence just like the dead tree no shade for travelers fruit is hard to reach. कबीरदास जी कहते हैं कि खजूर के पेड़ की भांति बड़ा दिखने से कोई लाभ नहीं है. इससे ना तो यात्रियों को छाया मिलती है ना ही इसके फल आसानी से तोड़े जा सकते हैं. केवल बड़ा दिखने मात्र से कोई बड़ा नहीं बन जाता. धन्यवाद.
Well said, Jia. Now let us see what Parag and Sonal are talking about.
Hey Sonal, what are you doing with a needle and thread?
I was trying to fix a button on my shirt and I have noticed that what a needle can do cannot be done with the help of a knife or a sword.
These small things are very important in our life. Just notice that small hole in the needle. छोटी छोटी चीजों से तो बड़े काम बन जाते हैं। बूंद बूंद से सागर बनता है और छोटे छोटे प्रयासों से तो बड़ी सफलता प्राप्त होती है। और कई छोटी चीजों के बिना तो हम अपनी जिंदगी सोच भी नहीं सकते। क्या आप अपना फोन बिना बैटरी और बिना सिम के सोच सकते हो? द स्मॉल थिंग लाइक अ टूथब्रश, अ ब्लेड, a safety pin, a rubber band, and a nail cutter. These things do what big machines can't do.
I never realized that. Did you? Now I would like to introduce you to our thought board. First of all, our grade in charge, Miss Lipsa Kaushal, and then my classmates, Taniksha, Rupanshu, and Ashi, will express their views on positive thinking.
Thank you, Abhir. The people who succeed in life are not the ones who avoid failure, but these are the ones who learn how to respond to failure with optimism. Namaste everyone. As you all know that the topic for today's thought board is positive thinking, so let me tell you what positive thinking is. Positive thinking or an optimistic attitude is the practice of looking forward to good in life. It is expecting good in any situation. The positive thinking means a mental and emotional attitude of expecting favorable results and not getting discouraged when plans do not proceed as expected. It is trying over again and never accepting defeat. Instead of saying, I can't do this, I cannot, why it is me every time, it is impossible for me, we should say, I will try. I will not leave any stone unturned. I will make it possible for me. Here, I would like to add some words of the great writer Charles Dickens. He says, reflect upon your present blessings, of which every man has plenty, and not upon your past misfortunes, of which every man has some. We all are blessed souls. We have a house to live in, food to eat, and a healthy body. Then why to become negative in life on losing one or two games? We all have to put in great efforts for achieving everything in life. So stay determined, spread happiness and positivity everywhere. Always remember that even if you stumble, you are actually moving forward. That's all from my side. Now, Taniksha will express her views.
Thank you, ma'am. Positive minds are powerful minds. We can do and achieve almost anything with a mind that has the willingness and determination to do it. An individual with a positive mind can do a lot of positive things. Every single thought and every single decision we make creates an impact and influence in our lives. Then why shouldn't we start thinking positively? Happy and affirmative thoughts are bound to make you smile. A positive thinker spreads positivity everywhere. He is liked by all. He actually helps those who are feeling down. He gives hope to those who have lost all their hopes. Thank you. Over to Rupanshu.
Thank you, Taniksha. Namaste, everyone. Here are some benefits of positive thinking. Positive thinking helps us with stress management and can even improve your health. Some studies show that personality traits such as optimism and pessimism can affect many areas of your health and well-being. Positive thinking often starts with self-talk. Self-talk is an endless stream of unspoken thoughts that run through your head. These thoughts can be positive or negative. If most of your thoughts are positive, then you are going to have many health benefits like increased lifespan, low rates of depression, lower level of stress, greater resistance to common cold, better psychological and physical well-being, etc. Thank you. Now Ashi will share her views.
Thank you, Rupanshu. I think we must learn how to be positive. We can learn to turn negative thinking into positive thinking. The process is simple, but it takes time and practice. You are getting a new habit after all. Here are some ways to think and behave in a more positive way. First of all, identify those areas of your life about which you think negatively. Keep a strict check on your thoughts. Give yourself permission to smile and laugh. Seek humor in everyday happenings. Follow a healthy lifestyle and encourage yourself. Be thankful to God for everything that you have. Enjoy every moment of your life. Never blame others for your own failures and adversities. Stop thinking that they contributed to your downfalls. Always make a personal assessment when something goes wrong. Trust in God and do the right. Over to Abhir.
Thank you everyone for expressing your wonderful views. Now some of our friends are celebrating their birthdays in this week. So let us congratulate them. Here comes Ashna with the birthday song.
Namaste. We have the birthday of the following students. On 26th of August, Keshav of 10th Yamuna, Parth of 9th Yamuna, Kinshuk of 8th Yamuna, Madhur of 7th Narmada, Navya of 6th Indus, and Krish of 7th Kaveri. On 27th of August, Navraj of 6th Saraswati, and Abhilaksh and Abhinav of 10th Saraswati. On 28th of August, Niyamat of 6th Satluj, Gaurav of 9th Saraswati, and Rishabh of 9th Yamuna. On 29th of August, Shaina of 9th Indus, Rupanshu of 9th Yamuna, and Ashvir of 9th Ganges. On 30th of August, Gitanjali of 7th Yamuna, Harshita of 9th Kaveri, and Harshajot and Manjeet of 9th Saraswati. On 31st of August, Harmanjeet of 6th Saraswati, Ayan of 6th Narmada, and Hitesh of 10th Narmada. On 1st of September, Gary of 9th Kaveri, Shaurya of 9th Narmada, and Sharleen of 10th Ganges. Thank you. Over to Abhir.
Now it's time for National Anthem. I request you to get ready for National Anthem. On behalf of my class 9th Yamuna, I would like to thank everybody for being a part of today's morning assembly. I hope you all will try to stay positive under all circumstances and spread happiness everywhere. Thank you and have a nice day.